I've been dealing with foam for 17 years, and if anybody asked you, is this a product you would use in your own home? The answer is absolutely yes, and today I'm blessed with the ability to do that and couldn't be happier about it. We've been remodeling for months now, so we're really excited about getting it done today.
Our job today, we just had 300 square foot of walls and about 150 of vaulted ceiling.
So the whole process from beginning to end is there was a lot of removal. There was old cellulose that was in the attic, which we always remove that to not interfere with what is now going to be the good insulation envelope. Plus, that just holds pollens and allergens and stuff like that. So there's health attributes to doing this as well. So after removing everything that was in there, we cleaned up nice. Everything is protected with plastic, and now they are in there in the process of spraying the foam. And at the end, they cut all the walls clean down to the studs so that nothing is in the way for the drywall, and totally ready for the next phase. And even though we've added a lot of space to the house and a lot of more openness, I know that the house is going to be far more efficient now than it ever was with the areas that are being insulated today. We're definitely the weak spot of yesterday, so the savings is going to be immediate, and I feel it's going to be immense.
It went pretty well, as you can see behind me here. It's looking pretty good. One of our easier jobs and a little bit lighter day, so I'm not complaining. So.
Not only did I choose RetroFoam to insulate my house, but I chose RetroFoam as a career because I have complete faith in our crews. Everybody from our office to concierge to the whole process, beginning to end, has been super seamless. And lifetime warranty with the product, that's huge in my eye. That's on both the product and the installation of the product. If there was ever a problem, RetroFoam takes care of it, and takes care of it right away, and I couldn't be happier.